Yo, what is going on? So this is how to play multiplayer in Farming USA 2. So Farming USA 2 does not have server-based matchmaking. You just don't press play and then randomly land on some farm. So you have to play with friends that you already know or find on Steam. So how to do that is local cube. To play with friends locally in your country, connect a controller at the main menu and your farm will automatically launch in offline mode. Additional players will be guests of the main account and won't be able to sign in with their own accounts. Cross-platform multiplayer, so let's say you have a PC and then someone can join you with an Android. Farming USA 2 allows cross-platform play, but not all cross-platform. So if someone has Nintendo, he cannot join like Android or something. So it depends. Yeah, so Farming USA 2 does not have public servers or matchmaking. Instead, you'll need to find friends who are playing the game and invite them to join your farm. Inviting friends. To invite your friends to join your farm, you'll need to create a Phoenix Labs account if you don't have one. Then enter the game, select multiplayer and choose host online server. You can invite friends from your Phoenix Labs list or you can use Steam to invite players. Yeah, so joining a farm. To join a friend's farm, click on Find Farms from the main menu. This will display a list of available farms, including the farmer's name, farmer level, current players, and ping. Yeah, like I said, Farming USA does not have server-based matchmaking. You need to find friends who are playing and invite them to join your farm. Also, local queue players have full access to privileges and cannot be restricted using friends or guests' permission settings. Yeah, so that's everything you need to know.